So who are we here with today?
I'm Margaret.
Jordan Gooch.
My name is Shania.
About how many times a week would you say you buy coffee?
Like 4.
4? Okay. I buy 0, so it's more than me. This week 4?
This week 4, it's exam week.
Probably like twice a week.
On campus, what would you say is your favorite place to get coffee?
My favorite place to get coffee is Meantime
Meantime, and where's that?
in the Campus Y.
Campus Y, okay.
I like 1922.
Honestly, the Stone and Leaf Cafe.
You got any special ingredients that you like to put in your coffee?
In the fall pumpkin.
Oat milk is honestly fine, and maybe a syrup like caramel.
Okay. You don't like any creamers or sugars or nothing?
No, because I drink iced coffee mostly.
Okay, so I am a big frap person. If you ever want a good frappuccino, I recommend going to Starbucks and getting the one with the caramel. They have little caramel bits in them. They're really good.
Okay. So now we're here at the Stone and Leaf Cafe, where we're gonna find out one of their most popular coffee orders and try it. Let's go. Hi, how are you doing today? I wanted to ask, what was y'all's most popular order for coffee?
Most popular coffee order would probably be an iced vanilla latte or an iced caramel macchiato.
Okay, can I have that first one?
Iced vanilla latte?
Yeah, yes please. So today we ordered a vanilla iced latte. As y'all can see, I added some sugar packets, make it a little flavorful. We're gonna try it. Okay, usually coffee's a little bitter for me, but I think the sugar helped a lot. I've come to the conclusion again that coffee is not for me, but I can see how it's addicting. If you want to try some coffee, come to the Stone and Leaf Cafe by the student stores in the pit.